Okay, so today I thought we could check out the Unger Hydropower. I received an Unger Hydropower and I have never had an Unger Hydropower before. So I thought we could unopen the box, put it together, kind of show you how it works, I guess, for the first time for me to check one out. But these are very popular DI units for low TDS water. So let's open it up and check it out. I think this is extra resin here, and then this is the Hydropower. Okay, I think we can just open it right like that. Okay, Unger Hydropower. Feels pretty light. I think we need to put resin in it. Some connections. This connection, just quick connect. So let's see. Well, that takes out of there. I guess that comes off of there. And then, I know this pops off in some form or manner. So, let's see here. Quick start guide. So we're putting the water into the bottom, taking the good water out of the top. So what I have for that, first day above freezing in a long time. This broke the other day. I'll take this out. Boom. So we'll have that there. I'll put my 5/16 inch hose in here. What's really nice about DI units is you always have pretty good pressure. It's not like an RO where it restricts it. So that's a nice thing about a single stage DI system. But with a system like this, if you're in an area with like 300 TDS, 200 TDS, or even sometimes between 100 and 200, you'll go through resin pretty fast because resin is one stage. I have a TDS average of like 50 here. It's very rare that I come across high TDS water. Usually that's with commercial or wells, but that's pretty rare here. So like a system like this works really nice here. So let me take this off of here. Let's see. Oh, unlock. So lock is this way, unlock is that way. Did I just break it? Oh my god. Okay. All right, that's taking the cap off. I'm sure it's just a little stiff. Better to have it tight than not tight. Okay, and then we're gonna put in some resin here. That's in here. Okay. People always ask, why is my resin wet? Your resin is wet because that's the way it's supposed to be with these. That's why it's wet. Okay. So I think what we do is we're just gonna open this and we're gonna put this resin in. Okay. I know. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Little pretty lump of resin. I think we're just gonna kind of let it just work in. I know that it's the green handle up. The red handle down here has nothing on it. So you just move it around. I don't know if that's too much movement or not. Really? Okay, so let's see if it says. So at the top, pack it down to ensure that it's seated properly. Okay, I don't think I could really do anything more than that. It looks pretty seated. It looks like the bag is coming out this side. Okay, that looks seated. Okay, then I'm gonna think after that, we're just gonna put this back on. Something that I've heard that's better is not to press this when you put it back on, but to twist it So that's tight on there. It's not coming off. And what I did was I just twisted it without even pushing down on this, just to let it sit in place. Let's hook up water to it and look at the little TDS meter here. Okay. I think I might be able just to use this quick connect maybe on here. No, it's too loose. I think this quick connect is nice. There's very nice fittings. I think these used to be plastic and now they're not. Okay. I don't know if that's just gonna come out or if that's on or off. We'll see here. My TDS here is right about 60. Let's see if I froze any pipes. I don't think I froze any pipes. I don't know if it's on or off or what. Sounds like it's on. It says 0 reading. 0. No water out, but no water leaking. Well, there's water. That took forever. I don't know if that took forever due to it being frozen or what. Or something I had was frozen. It might have been. I'm gonna give it that. But there's the water. And I know my water is 60. So all that zeros. Pretty good, just trickle. Not too crazy water force there. Let's see if we hook up a pole. Covers the rinse bar. Totally enough water. Ooh, good pressure. I got about average pressure here. I'd say I probably got 50 to 60 psi. But it works nicely. That's it. That's the system. Pretty cool. I don't have my unit valve in here, so then to shut the water off, switch it that way, and that will slowly turn the water off. So on, it takes a little bit to fill up like we saw, see? Water's coming over the bristles. Off. Water goes away from the bristles. But no leaking, nothing. All looks great. So, and then you could just undo that, right? Or let it drain. You don't really have to let it drain. Hook up one of those and we'll boom, back on. So that is the Unger Hydropower.